Hello, everyone, and welcome to our weekly live stream. It's been a while since I've hosted this live, so I've missed you guys. Today, we are going to do a full walkthrough of Biela. The last time we've done something like this, like many features did not exist. Now we have too many features. We have grown. There are like too many things that we're too excited to tell you about. Please welcome my colleagues John and Marios, who are also here with me.
Hello,
Hello.
Todd. Hello, Marius.
Hello.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, how are you guys?
Yeah, we're fine.
So, I wanted to have like a full walkthrough of what we have on Biela right now. And we need to have like one idea to start creating, and throughout the project, we will discover everything, every new feature that we have on the platform.
Okay, so we have an idea, or we've been talking about an idea. Obviously, for a lot of schools and students, it's summer holidays at the moment. Academic year is quickly coming round. So hot topics around artificial intelligence and cybersecurity for the schools. So we thought about creating a community, an online community, where educators could share information, best practice, find resources around topics associated with AI and cybersecurity, and how they could use that in schools, in lessons, and help students.
That's a great idea. Shall we do it?
Let's do it.
I'll share my
Great
screen. Okay. So this, like, just to explain, like the new edition of Biela has a plan and build. It used to be chat and code. And we can choose the AI models now, where we have multiple LLMs. Like, if you want to explain which LLM can do which. So we have Claude now, GLM, Gemini
And
2.4, 2.5 Pro, and Gemini 2.5 Flash.
I'd encourage people to practice with them and see which one works best for your purpose and your project.
Yeah, exactly. Like each one of my friends, and to be honest, it's very objective. Like one of them tells me, like, start with Claude, then continue with I don't know what. Then the other one is like, no, I'd rather start with Gemini. So you have to try. Then
experiment. The best way to learn is to experiment.
But I would trust your.
Sorry, but I think the best approach is to start coding with Claude, because at the moment it's the best AI you can use to code, and then as your projects go on, you can use Gemini to do your things.
Here you have it, guys, from the full stack developer. News. Okay, so in that sense, I will start writing the prompt. So I want to create a community page with the portal for the academic community. In the UAE. Okay, using futuristic.
Technology or something themes.
Technology themes. Okay, we need to have we need to say to tell the AI the purpose. Of the project for this project
is to provide a safe space for educators, or to enable educators to communicate, peer-to-peer learning.
Exactly.
Sharing articles, instructions, videos, I don't know, something like
that. When enabling. Okay, I've written that wrong. Okay, let's start.
Okay. Wait. So we happy with that prompt? Yeah. So just on this page, we've got some buttons that we should just tell people about.
So if we want to start, we can do, like, we can attach the files. We can, let's say you want to create a project and you already have your logo. You have already some like photo shoots you've done for your product. So you would include them right from the beginning. So you can attach your files. I attach files later. You can also, like, instead of writing the prompt, you can do it as a voice input. And over here with this button, you can select the language for the voice input.
And we've got a few languages, right? Yeah.
We've got a few
Yep.
languages.
Nice.
Okay, like a very interesting thing we can do is to enhance the prompt. So this is the prompt that I've written. If I click on enhance prompt, I will get a notification that says prompt enhanced, and look at this.
So the important point here is that this is translating what we've discussed in our language to the most effective language for Biela to understand.
Exactly. We have what we want to build, but as a design requirements, as a core functionalities, as technical specifications, everything is sorted out in a way that the AI can understand it more to, at the end, to give it to give a better result.
This is effectively like talking to Biela in its own language. So it's translated it to its own language.
Yes, exactly. Shall we start?
Let's have a look.
Yep. Let's go.
Yeah.
Here we go. So setting up the project.
Okay. So until everything is ready, I'm going to explore what's happening here. So again, we have build, we have plan, we have the history tab, which is like 2 prompts later, it will be like more explainable. But here we have like every prompt that we've we sent to Biela written here. If you click on it, you will see the prompt you wrote and the answer you got.
Sure.
Over here, let's see. Wait. I think it's lagged. So
Maybe it's the internet connection.
I think it's the internet connection.
Yeah.
It's fine. We can pick up.
Yeah,
Where
we
we still, yeah. Okay.
Hello guys from the chat.
What do we have here? Nice topic. Thank you.
Haskell AI Lab. Claude is my favorite LLM, but when it comes to design, GLM does a very good job too.
Nice. Interesting feedback.
Yeah. GLM is good, but it seems to be slower than the other LLMs. If it does the job, that's the most important thing. The job is done.
It's not. There's no point being fast and bad.
Exactly. Sometimes
good.
Better
okay.
be late. It's okay.
And there'll be more integrations coming.
Ovidio Bosga. Hello, my favorite team. Hello, Ovidio.
Hello.
Hello and welcome. How are you guys today?
In the meantime, let's talk.
Biela's finished for the weekend, no?
It's Friday night.
It is Friday night, I know. Okay. So I will share my screen again. So over here.
Hello. You
didn't miss the updates. We're coming. We'll show you.
Okay. So I'm sharing my screen again. So Biela is still creating the files now.
You're not sharing.
Yeah, we can see it.
Slowly.
You can.
Now it's coming.
Now we can see it. Yeah.
Okay.
So once again, we're creating the components, we're creating the code, not me, like Biela is creating the code. As you can see here, the code is being written.
On this, look at the speed that the code is being created and consider how long it would take someone to even type it.
I have a question for Mario.
Yeah.
How long did it used to take you write this code? Like, honestly.
Honestly, to write all this code, maybe 1 hour. When you write the code, you need to test it. This is why you use AI, because AI is already knowing what to write, what to do. Look, no errors. So as a developer, you need to code everything, and you need to test it by yourself. When you use AI, the AI is already perfect.
Yeah, I'm saying before now, like let's say 2-3 years ago. How long would it take you to write this kind of like this
For me
long?
personally, a lot.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah,
21
yeah.
hours.
It would take me a long time just to type the characters, never mind in the right order, and make sure they worked. And
Exactly.
Yeah, this was the main problem when you do this kind of stuff, because you need to test it, and you need to test a lot. Nowadays, it's a lot easier.
hello, Daniel. How are you? Very good.
Hello. Hello, guys, and welcome.
Talk to us, Dad. Tell us what's happening.
How you think?
Waiting here with anticipation.
Okay, so it's still writing code. Wait. So wait, let's share my screen once again. Okay. So here is Biela writing the code. To be honest, there was an error in the past project, so I've done another one. Yes, because my internet was slow, so I had to close the tab, reopen it. So I think it was
You
like I
know,
don't know
everybody will tell you in technology, just turn it off and turn it back on again.
exactly. It's like when we use like when
That's
the remote
again.
control used to not work, so I used to hit it one like 3-4 times. Anyway,
Okay, so we were. What are the buttons we got along the bottom? Let's have a look at those.
okay. So here you have again AI model. It's here when you want to
Yeah,
like
so
inside
we
the
can
web
change
container.
between AI models as we go.
Yes, like within like in the middle of the project, if you want to just switch to another AI model, then you can.
Mm-hmm.
Again, with you can attach file, have a voice input, enhance the prompt, clean up the project, and enable AI to think. This is the
And,
extent thinking.
and if you attach a file, am I
Uh-huh.
right that it actually can read what's in the file? So, for example, if you attach a file of text, it
Yes,
can decipher the text and understand the text, as well as attaching an image and understand the colors. Or the
100%. Yes. So,
so
so
if you've got a policy document, for example, you can attach the policy rather than type the whole policy into the chat.
yes, just extract the text, put it in a nice page in the policy
Yeah.
page, and it will like be done. Even if you don't want just like a copy paste, if you want to say like analyze the text, make a website out of it, like I want to create an e-commerce website or any kind of a website about this and this and this, it can
Nice.
do it.
Okay. Cool.
So the next thing is with the preview, you already know content studio. I'm gonna come back to it.
Okay.
So in the settings, we actually have like great more features. So if you hit settings, you have project info, databases, domain name, knowledge control center, and connect GitHub. The
Yeah.
project info, you can see 4 buttons here. First one is to download the project files. Basically, sometimes you need to send your project, you need to like have a safe version of your project somewhere. So you can download it, like maybe send it to a dev, I don't know. But
Mm-hmm.
sometimes you can download your project file. Then you can export the project chat. You're not downloading the code, but you're exporting the chat as it is. So you can import it later on from the user dashboard. You can
Yeah.
also duplicate the project. For me, like this is a great feature. If like if I went down like one path in a project that I'm building on Biela, then like I can stop like in like any touch point, stop, duplicate, and go another way.
Yeah.
So I can test
Well,
between.
you can fork the project effectively. You can create a structure or a theme, and then you can have different content in different places because you're not having
100.
to. Yeah.
Exactly. And
Nice.
of course, I can share a copy with another Biela user, most probably John. So if you click here, then the visibility of the project can be public, a secret, or a private, and you can
Yeah.
share again another like this is a shareable link.
Yeah.
Now Biela like automatically named the project in the UAE Academic Community Portal for AI and cybersecurity. The owner is me. Tech stack is React, Tailwind, CSS.
Shed
I don't know how
CNUI.
to read this.
Yeah,
And right,
CNUI.
This is Malleus's language, not ours.
this is Marius. Yes, I understand
Yeah,
English.
yeah.
Okay, then there's project messages as well, and I can clear the chat history. If I click here, look at this.
Here's the
So
pop-up.
there's a pop-up. So the advantages that I have here is freeing up the tokens for better performances. But if I clear the chat, the AI will no longer remember what I said in the past. So it's kind of a tricky. So I don't like to clear my chat, but I know it's you. I don't like to clear my chat because I have unlimited amount of
Yes.
tokens. Okay. So going back to databases. Over here, you can connect, like I have already connected to Supabase, to my Supabase account. So I can basically create new Supabase or use existing in one click and it's connected. Then,
And just on that, in case people aren't coming from a technical background, Marius, why would someone want to connect to Supabase as a database?
Because it's the most easy database to use. It's somewhere in the cloud, so you can use it inside Biela.
Yeah.
okay.
So and in terms of a database, if I didn't know what a database was in regards to the use of a website, what functionality does it add to what we're building?
So basically, if you want to create maybe an e-commerce website, you can add all your products in that database, and Biela could use it to share it to people, maybe use it in all kind of ways.
Okay. For example, for this situation, if we create a portal, would that also apply to people if we wanted to have logins so people could log into
Yeah,
the
exactly.
site and have different access? For example, if they paid a subscription, they got more access. So then this is why we connect the database as well. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly. It's right.
Nice. Okay. Sorry, though.
Okay. Going further, we have over here the domain name. Basically, you can add you can have your project directly deployed on your domain. And in two easy steps. One, you click here. Then you can say, for example, UAE.
So basically, this helps you to connect your own domain to the website created with Biela.
Exactly.
And the way that this is structured is very easy for anybody to do it. And I can vouch for that because I can do it.
If I can do it, anyone can do it.
Yeah, that's right.
So you put your domain name that you purchased
That
somewhere
you purchased or you
on
found.
GoDaddy or Hotfinger or you click here. One click, it says deploying. Then it should give you it says
I think
deploying.
your internet connection again.
Yeah, I know.
You need to put www or something.
Wait. Let me refresh. Yeah, because I did that. Wait, let me refresh and get back.
What, you already deployed?
1 minute.
Geek Tech Studio. I've tried multiple vibe coding tools, and I can honestly say that Biela is my favorite. It's easier to use and gets the job done, even if the prompt isn't that well written. Thank you, Geek Tech Studio.
Yeah, thank you very much. My advice is to find a way to write better prompts, though, because then you will get better outputs. But yeah.
We have another question. Is Biela on top of the platforms? Yeah, it's on top. It's on top of them. As Geek Tech Studio said, he tried multiple vibe coding tools and Biela is on top of all of them. Okay, we're back.
So now we have got the preview ready. The website is ready.
Nice.
And this is it. This is not, wait. Basically, if you go full screen,
Now we can see it. Nice.
yeah, now you can see how it is like.
The first prompt, right?
Yes.
I tell you something. It's done very nicely. It's picked up on the UAE colors.
Exactly, yes. Because we've mentioned in the UAE and the name was this, yeah. Exactly. So, what do we need to edit now? Wait, I have an idea.
I think you can add images.
Yes. So I'm going to upload a few images. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So I will put this as a, I don't know. You can rename the file. So basically I can say, for example, teacher one, tag for teacher one, AI.
And what's the importance of the tags here?
It helps with the SEO.
Okay.
It's like, yeah. So now I uploaded 2 pictures. I will add one more. Okay. The size is too much. Okay, so now I've selected both. Now I can do one thing. I put use in a project. Then I can see them over here attached. And I can just say, like, add these pictures to the, okay, no. Make a gallery.
Yeah.
I wanted to make a gallery for for the meetups, like if it's a community and they're doing community meetups and stuff like.
Make a gallery. We can put for to demonstrate or to showcase.
Okay.
Showcase previous events using these images.
Wait, then let me add one more. Oh no, it was okay. Let's do it.
Okay, off it goes again.
So you were saying?
Where were we? We were in settings, right?
Yeah.
We were in settings.
You were connecting to a domain.
Yes. Let's do it once more. So we add the domain name.
Yeah.
Let's put edutech.ai. This is the fastest thing.
Okay.
So after you add your domain name, you will have like 2 records, 2 DNS records. Basically, from your hosting plan or like your domain provider, whether it's GoDaddy, Hostinger, or whatever, inside the domain, there is a tab somewhere that says DNS records. It's something that's very easy. Any non-coder can do it. Add a new record, you copy these numbers, you take them there, and that's it. You click verify.
I verify it, and then you go.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah. It's as easy as it is. Okay. Then let's talk about the control center before we talk about the knowledge.
Okay.
So over here we have the auto error handling, which is automatic error resolution. Can you like I know like sometimes some errors oh wait, it's updating.
Have we got some pictures?
Wait, let me see.
Oh, look at them.
No, these are the pictures. basically.
So it's taken our pictures and it's also brought other pictures as well.
Context and with other people. Yes,
It's too intelligent, right?
yes. I don't know why every time I see this face, I think it's the name is John Doe.
Maybe it is.
Every time it's John Doe. This is very cool, actually. So, like it added a name of like
The tag, yeah.
the tag, like UNE Ministry of Education, UAE Cybersecurity Council, and this
It's
like
got
this.
star
I think
ratings as well, and
100.
Yeah, just imagine coding it. There's a lot of work done in a few minutes.
Okay. So, but it's like I like it. Okay. So what do we do now?
We head back to settings. We have a few more settings to show.
Okay. So with the auto error handling, basically when error comes, like John.
so effectively, I mean, and this is dependent on the skill set of the person using Biela and what they want to get out of it, right? So Biela can automatically and will automatically detect an error, and if you want it to, it will go off on its own, and it will solve the error independent of your interjection.
Okay.
So if you want it to do that, you can tick this and it will go off and it will work as a completely independent virtual developer. If you want to impact the error and intervene and fix it in your own way, then you don't want to select this. You want to keep control of what's happening. But it's very, very useful for people that have not got any development background.
Okay. Okay, that's like for me, I have it enabled all the time because like there's no way I can I can solve
There's no right or wrong answer. You know, if you want to use it in that way, you can use it in that way. It's a feature that we've developed because we believe in making this technology accessible to as many people as possible. So if you want to use it in that way, you can use it in that way. If you want to intervene, then you don't have to use it in that way. You can step in and dictate how the error is fixed.
Okay. With the unit testing interface, so you can make this visible or invisible, and this it controls whether the unit testing tab appears in the terminal interface or not. I believe
Yes,
this
basically
is
you go in code and in terminal we have another option, unit testing.
okay.
If you enable it, and Biela will automatically create unit tests. And this is helpful because if you're working with somebody, I don't know, your friend, your colleague, what you want, writing unit testing will be very helpful because if someone change your code, the test will fail. So you know something is not adding up.
Okay.
So we recommend to write unit tests, but only if you're working with somebody.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you're working collaboratively, unit testing, make sure you use it. If you're working alone, crack on.
Something like that, yeah.
Okay, okay.
It's good to test your code, but from my opinion, only when you work with somebody else.
Okay.
Then we have the AI diff mode. So Biela will only this is a great feature actually. Like this,
Diff mode. Yeah, so this is again something relatively unique that we've developed, which is going to improve people's efficiency, time, and cost. Where instead of rewriting an entire file when a change needs to be made, Biela will go in and identify the line or the lines of code that need to be amended and change those. So traditionally, using vibe coding platforms, you would have to, the platform would rewrite the whole body. This can lead to delays, can lead to contradictions, and just takes longer and costs more money because there's more code being written. Effectively, you're duplicating code writing. Have I got that right, Marius? Have I explained that in the right way?
Very well.
Thank you very much.
It saves a lot of money. That's sure.
Time and money, right? I mean, that's the important things.
Yes, but you don't want to like write the whole code another time.
Sure, sure, sure.
So the next one is error classification system. So basically, when this is not enabled,
Mm.
you may have some errors over here, and these errors are classified. So like are classified based on these, like they're color coded. So
Yeah.
if the error is in blue, then it's a database error. So you know how to fix it, where to fix it, or like you can just click on Ask Biela, and Biela can fix it for you. You don't have to fix it yourself. Same as with the yellow one, which is a terminal error, or red one, which is a code error.
100%. And
So
communicate with us. If people are getting errors, tell us where you're getting the
yes,
errors. It's we do our best with our QA and with our development team to create the very best product for the community. But if people are finding errors, let us know.
join our Discord, join our Teach Me Code Telegram channel. The links are in the description. They will be in the comments right now. Join them if you guys like have any problem, have any question, need help,
Ideas?
ideas. We're here to help. We're here we're basically trying to make a community of builders. So we'd be excited to help you actually.
Absolutely, 100%.
So the last one is termination hub. This is where you delete your project. We don't want that.
Very, very important line there. Once you delete it, it's deleted.
gone.
There's no going back.
So now I'm gonna go back to the knowledge.
Okay.
This
So
is new,
this is
right?
new, yes. So the knowledge base, you have 3 set of rules you can add in the knowledge base for Biela or the AI to
So it's important to categorize this. So this is for you to give Biela knowledge. This is Biela's knowledge base for your project.
exactly. So let's see. Let's say I click here. So in the project context, the rule title, I'm gonna put fonts, for example. Use sans serif.
Yeah. So basically, based on these rules, Biela will code what you
Only
like.
for headlines.
I,
Exactly.
I describe this like guardrails. So this is narrowing down or limiting Biela to build what you want it to build. So you can allow it to be completely creative, or you can narrow down what you want it to do or how you want to do it. So for
Exactly.
example, in the project context, we could say that this is targeted at academic professionals. So use tone of language when writing copy that is applicable to academic professionals.
That's a great note, actually.
Whereas, for example, if we were targeting 3 to 5 year olds, the tone would be very, very different. And this is a nice idea around how you could use the context. And then for people that have got a bit more technical understanding, if you wanted to code in a certain way, you can define the standards for the code as well.
Like I've gotten a little bit carried away with this. So with the colors, like I know it used the UAE national like the
Let's
flag
use
colors.
dark backgrounds and accent it with bright colors or
I
something.
think it can stay the same, but since it did this gradient thing, use solid
Okay.
color and never use gradient. Keep UAE. Keep UAE colors. They're gonna be very simple. Okay. So with the code standards, what can we write?
Have you got any ideas for us here, Marius? What should we put for a code standard rule?
Code standards.
Yeah, I got one if we need one. I've been researching.
Maybe you want to do the code modular, so have a lot of modules.
Okay.
That's a good rule to go by when you write your code. The unit test, obviously, but it's already
you guys,
incorporated
you
in
need
Biela.
to spell the code for me here.
Marius, assume nothing.
So basically, maybe you want to write all the components inside the components folder.
Okay. That's all the components inside the components folder.
Exactly.
Okay.
Nice. Add rule. And then
I
you've got
even named it one. Like I don't have a name for this.
Yeah, I can give you one more. So there's something called hooks, and these should be in a folder separate. So use hooks only from the hooks folder.
okay.
Okay. Okay. So
And
now
it's important here. You don't have to do this. Again, this is
Yeah,
providing guardrails if you wish to. This is about you experimenting with a platform, seeing what's possible, researching what you want to research, and building what you want.
exactly. So this is what we've done right now. Now we can say in the prompt text area, review the rules. How do we say it? Like review the rules and make the edits, make the required edits. Okay.
Let's see.
Wait. Knowledge base. Let's see what happens. So now you can see the assistant has access to fonts, tone of voice, colors, project context rules. The assistant has access to 1 and 2 code standard rules. So it says that we've accessed those. Now we're making the
Now it's
edits.
gone off to start building again. Nice.
Type. Okay, let's read some questions.
Yeah, it's like do's and don'ts, but also think about intent and purpose.
Yeah, that's very useful. If you're
Yeah, it is.
programmer,
If Biela knows what your end goal is, it's going to do a much better job of helping you build towards it.
Yes. Thank you, Madalena. Thank you for noticing. Other people from the audience did not notice. Okay. So now we can see like it's
Writing too quickly. It wants to log off for the weekend already, huh?
Yes. So guys, in the comments right now, you can see the Telegram channel, the Discord channel. As I told you before, like if you guys have any questions, if you need help, head over to the Discord, to the Telegram, and we can answer you. And wait, there's another thing. Wait, let me share another screen. If you guys did not notice,
can we
then
do advanced rules?
if you join a Discord, if you join our Discord channel, you can get 5 million free tokens.
Whoa.
Don't say I haven't warned you.
Whoa.
It's over here. You click here in the homepage. You click here.
I mean,
join
it's
the
like
Discord.
something for nothing, right? It's like
Yes.
something for nothing.
Exactly. Like you just click join, then like you have.
I'll join our Discord channel now.
You haven't already?
I didn't know I got 5 million tokens.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
Like,
build a CRM with that amount.
So there's that.
This is interesting, right? Because obviously from the rules that we've created, Biela's identified that there needs to be significant changes, right? So it's going through and doing a lot of work now because of that. So it's important, I guess for me anyway, a lesson from this is
The rules before.
once you start the project, get the rules in there as early as possible to frame what you want to frame.
I would say that as well.
I think in regards to more advanced rules, tell us some ideas about what you want to dictate, and we'll see how the best way to go about it is. And of course, there's going to be constant evolutions. The guys have not finished work on this. This is the kind of very much the start of the journey, and Biela is only getting better and better every week.
Yeah, John, you remember a few weeks ago how Biela was coding? Like the speed of the code.
There's some interesting things. There's the speed and there's the accuracy has also improved, I think.
Yeah.
I tell you something that has changed in my experience building with Biela. Biela's become a lot more creative. So I think this is important for people to understand. If you set the guardrails using the knowledge hub, then you determine the path Biela goes on. But if you don't prompt effectively and you don't set the guardrails, Biela will be very creative on your behalf. And if you want that to be the case, that's fine. But if you don't want that to be the case, you've got to dictate to Biela exactly what you want it to do. Before it was like a little bit creative and a little bit structured, and now it's very creative, but we can frame it how you want it to work.
Yes.
And it's busy, huh? It's working.
I mean, look at this.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
You have bad eye.
again,
The moment
connection.
he said it's busy.
Yeah.
No, it's look at this. So no more gradients.
Yes.
UAE flag colors are here.
Mhm.
Sans serif fonts for headlines are here. I don't know, Marius, where can I check your rules, like the hooks and the other one?
Yeah, you can see in SRC folder if you had components.
Okay. I'll make all the
Yeah, we have the
components.
components. We don't have hooks, but maybe he didn't use any hook. Just writing the UI. But I see a comment from Ovidio. For the best UI, you can use React Bits, a collection of carefully designed UI components. Yeah, I used it. React Bits, it's evolving every day. They have new
Definitely.
components. It's a very nice UI library.
Keep giving us suggestions, guys. Leave comments. Let us know what you think and what you want to see.
Okay. I think like from like
Can you
couple
do
of
this with just an image? What do you mean by that?
So
cloning.
I think what you could do is you could take an image and ask Biela to analyze it and build associated with the image. The Biela can read images, right? It can understand images.
Yep.
So I mean, in theory, you could do this, but I would suggest that you would still need to prompt alongside it. You wouldn't just give it an image alone.
I think
Nice. What about mobile?
mobile version is, look at this. Like we need put some like either less words or move this button to the burger menu. But either way, it's like I don't see anything like overlapping. Like it's very
First version.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, just imagine coding it. It's
I
a lot
can't.
of work to do.
I can't.
I can't.
Me either. No, thank you.
Trust me, it's hard. It's hard. It's
No,
a lot.
no, I would rather vibe code it. But
What happens if you hit sign in?
what happens if I hit what?
Sign in.
Sign in. Right now it doesn't do anything. But
Let's create a login page. Yeah. And let's create a login page. And for the purposes of this, because obviously we've not got a login, let's ask Biela to create a username and password that will take us to
a demo.
Take us to a demo portal site with curated learning and peer groups or something.
A passport, I read. And password to take us to a portal dashboard where we can what?
Where users can access premium content, learning materials, live and virtual events, and other and communicate with other community members in a live chat, something like that.
Okay.
And see, now it's remembered the important
The same rules that we've done. Yeah. This is why again, like it is very important to add the rules before you start.
So hostile AI lab. So as far as I understand, if you have a strong, well-defined plan for your project, you should set the rules. But if you only have an idea and no plan, you can let Biela be creative for you, right? Yeah, exactly. You can use the plan tab. I don't know if we talk about it. So we have build, plan, history, and roadmap. You can talk with Biela, so you can have a good plan, and then you can start code with it.
That's it.
Oh,
You can even ask Biela for rules. Biela will teach you how to do the things right.
I can ask Biela to tell me what rules I put in Biela.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah. Uh,
Okay. Crazy. Okay,
Million
so
miles an
now
hour.
let's write on the code.
Have a look at the history tab now, Dad. That should have some stuff in it, right? Yeah.
Now we have all the prompts. This is the last one. This is the knowledge base. No, this is the knowledge based. The previous prompt was knowledge based compliance updates. I'll review the knowledge. This is the answer that I've received from Biela. If I click here in the rollback, like it rolls back to this point of the chat. Of course, I'm going to cancel. There's another thing actually in the settings when I'm sharing a project with another user. Let's say another user has shared it to me. For example, I shared to John. Not John. Wait. Let's share with Ziba. Hey Ziba.
Hello,
Miss
Ziva.
you here. So now
Happy
I get
Friday.
Happy Friday. So he will get a notification here. This is a previous, like yesterday, John has shared with me this. So we have 100 notifications and all notifications, and you can see them here. As well as she's going to receive an email that says Dad has shared with you this project, accept or decline, or accept for all future projects.
Yeah.
This is something as well as
Video
think it's
post
done.
again, Marius. I use React Bits in my project build with Biela, and it turned out great. At least I really like it. I love to see a future video where Biela installs libraries, runs them. As I told you, I use React Bits when they first launched it. They had just a few components at the time, but I checked them now and I see a lot of good looking components that you can use in your apps. And a lot of customization for the team.
Nice.
We can use the library maybe in the next live to build something.
I think so. We should be able to, perhaps in the next call, we do a little bit of work around that, and we think about images and we think about best practice around how to use images and icons, as well as, so not just what Biela can do, but what works effectively in terms of UI UX.
You see how we've received an error, and because I have enabled automatic error handling,
yeah, it goes off.
I didn't have to do anything; it just stopped and handled the error itself.
But it's maybe Marius can help us. It's doing something from Superbase, and we haven't.
Yeah, exactly. So we didn't ask it, but he tried to do it. Maybe you can say to remove the Superbase for now, and I think it will work.
What do I have to do? Disconnect.
Yeah,
but it was still,
you can
because it's written the code, it will still try to do it, right?
We don't really need it now, so you can.
I'm gonna stop the error handling.
Yeah.
Go to database. Disconnect. Okay. Now it's asking me if I can.
Yeah. Perfect.
Maybe we can go with the Superbase on the project with React.
So, but I like this. When you disable the automatic error handling, this is how you see the error. The yellow code is a problem in the terminal. So it's again like a simple. You can either see the problem, discuss it, ignore, or ask Biela.
Nice.
What do I have to do?
Yeah, you can say just remove the Superbase because we don't really need it. We want some demo credentials.
Just type it. Just type it.
Yeah, just type it on the prompt.
Remove Superbase.
Yeah, remove Superbase and make the authentication with the dummy data or demo data. But dummy will work.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
If you want to use Superbase, you need to configure your account. It's a lot more
I
stuff.
just I just did it for the like.
Yeah.
It's integrated
We're
well.
trying to catch you up, Marius. We're trying to get technical.
It's good. It's good.
We obviously can't.
Yeah. There's nothing
We
wrong
have
with
time to
ambition,
learn. It's
right?
okay.
Okay. What else do we have? I'm not sharing my password. Some of the comments saying, show your password. No. Mm-mm.
Yeah. No more. No more.
No more. Yeah, exactly. Let's not talk about the past, Marius. Okay. So now it's updating. So the error did get solved.
Yeah.
Cool. Lesson learned. Never connect to a super base when you don't have if you don't know how to connect to super base.
Again, also, we connect with this. It's probably best to do it component at a time, right? So connect with the super base when you need the super base, not at the start.
Yeah. It's a little bit more work to do because you need to do the tables, you need to do the connection. It's a few steps. We have some few tutorials on YouTube if somebody want to watch them, so you can learn how to use Supabase.
I think this links very nicely into because at Teach Me Code Institute, I think there's going to be some new course material being released very soon as well, and Supabase may well form part of that, and how some tutorials around Biela, and yeah, there could be some interesting stuff coming out of that. So stay tuned for that as well.
Yes, I'm very excited for Teach Me Code, but I'm gonna say anything right now. This is very...
Oh, you have spoiler.
Anticipation.
Dad,
Yes.
what spoilers?
Oh, no spoilers. Yeah, no spoilers even for you. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the portal access. This is my
Right.
password. There you go.
Yeah. You can use this password and see where you get.
Like it even listen.
Unless you just do it.
I don't even have to copy and paste. Okay, so this is the login page.
Nice.
Sign into portal. It says signing in.
Oh, there's a nice loader.
And it's
Okay.
created the portal.
Welcome to your academic portal. Access to premium research content, virtual event, collaborative learning resources, an overview, some numbers. Then there's a calendar. I can join things live. Have more details. And John Doe again.
Yeah.
I think John Doe will pop up everywhere while you use AI.
famous. Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. This is nice.
Yeah.
Dr. Ahmed Al Mansouri.
Yeah.
Do you think this is a real
It might be
person?
it might be might be watching us.
I know.
Yeah, who knows?
I'm sorry. I have to check.
But see, because I think importantly, because of the way we framed the rules at the start, and because of the way we framed the conversation, we didn't have to tell Biela to do too much in terms of the portal. It knows why we're doing what we're doing, so it's been able to create a template of the portal very quickly.
Yep.
So we have Haskell AI Lab again. It looks very good, and I like how it used the colors of the UIA.
Okay.
And to be honest, we can probably use this. We can create our own community.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay. One problem though, how do we get to the previous page?
I think you can log out. I see a button there, but I don't know if it's working.
No, I logged out already. Wait, let's see.
Oh.
Cool. Okay, so I'm signing in again. And then you see if I sign out, it says this. Okay.
So just let's tell it to sort it out. When you
When
sign
you
out,
sign out,
the original homepage.
redirect to the homepage. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks
Nice.
very good, and I like how I used the colors, how it used the colors from the of the UAE. Yes, because we've told it to use the color. To be honest, it automatically did, but as a gradient, we've told it to
Yeah,
use it.
we fixed the way. Again, it's
Nice work.
important to tell it the purpose and the intent and structure it in that way so it knows why you're doing what you're doing, and then it can be creative on your behalf.
Yep. Okay, that's very nice. If you guys have any question, this is the last prompt. Last station. Okay. Can we build complex apps?
Of course you can.
I think the question or the answer to the question is, can you build complex apps? Biela can, but it's up to you to work out how.
Because it's true.
Yeah.
So wait, I'm using my demo credentials, sign in to portal. Now there's a homepage here, so I can access the homepage within, like, after I log in.
Which is correct, actually, because you shouldn't.
You have exactly, and it worked.
Nice.
Okay.
We've got the start of something here that we could build out.
Yep.
If there are any
of you guys,
teachers in any schools,
if any teachers in any school, or if you guys want to work on this project, we can send you the file. We can help you build this project, make it something. We can work on it together. Okay, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, John. Thank you, Marius.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, everyone.
Have
Thank
a great
you,
rest
Biela.
of your Friday. Have a great weekend, and see you next week.
See you.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.